Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video I'm going to be repurposing an old clock that I had from a couple of years ago. It's really old and dingy now, so I'm going to be using this wall decor piece that I got from the Dollarama. I paid $4 for this, and I will be using my old clock, glue sticks, glue gun, and an old knife. So again, my clock is really old and really like it's peeling all over the place. So I wanted to clamp it up. I'm gonna take out the screws at the back. You guys, I'm using my knife for this. It's really easy to use. You can use a screwdriver, but I'm using my knife. It comes out really fast with that. Okay, so this is the clock already opened. I took the glass off to clean, and I'm going to take off that plastic part on the edge of the clock because I wouldn't be needing that. Okay, so this is the clock, just the circle that I need to fit right into the back of the wall decor mirror piece. So I'm gonna open up the mirror piece, like the back. Again, with the screws, I'm gonna take them off. You guys, I bought this at the Dollarama for $4. This is so beautiful. They have all the different styles and colors. You can get them in gold or chrome or like antique silver. So go ahead and check out your Dollarama. So this is measured perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead and add the glass over the clock after measuring it again. This was just the perfect fit for my clock. It worked out so good. Okay, so I have already added the glass onto the clock, and I'm gonna go ahead and stick that using my glue gun onto the back of the frame. You can use E6000, of course, with your glue gun, but like nobody's gonna be touching this clock. It's gonna be fine with the glue sticks, but I'm just gonna reinforce it as much as I can so it doesn't drop and break. Okay, and here is the finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my glass again, and it's all done. I added some gems to the sides just to glam it up a little bit, and it's all perfectly done, guys. I love this DIY. It was so easy to do. I'm gonna add that into my new home. I can't wait to see how it looks. And of course, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and give me a big thumbs up, and see you in my next one, guys. Bye. Have a good one.